Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths and Physics with Mr. Simons. Today's lesson on sequence and series, we're refreshing what you should know of a geometric sequence and the general problems that come with the geometric sequence, how to use the equation, etc. Right? So, determining common ratio, I assume you know the difference between a geometric and a linear sequence. Linear sequence has common difference, geometric sequence has common ratio. So to get the common ratio, we normally say R equal term 2 divided by term 1, or term 3 divided by term 2, or term 4 divided by term 3 in any order, as long as it's right to left. So determine a common ratio of the sequence. I can say 12 divided by 3, which then gives me 4. So R equal term 2 divided by term 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. If I want to, term 3 divided by term 2, 48 divided by 12 would give me 4. So you can guess 48 times 4 would then give you 192. So that is my common ratio. Meaning no matter which two terms I divide, I'll always get the answer 4. Consider the geometric sequence 2, negative 4, 8, negative 16, continuing. Alright? Right, so it's a finite sequence. So from there, determine the common ratio of the sequence. So I can say R equal term 2 divided by term 1. So negative 4 divided by 2 would give me negative 2. Or I can say 8 divided by negative 4, which also gives me negative 2. Or I can say negative 16 divided by 8, which also gives me negative 2. The key concept is, I hope you understand and you know how to find the common ratio. Before we go further, please remember to like and subscribe and share with whoever needs help. Right? So, determining the general term. So, consider the geometric. We're working with the sequence. Determine the general term of the sequence. So, for geometric, the general formula is Tn equal ARn minus 1. We know that A there is 3. And R12 divided by 3 is 4. So in the place of A, I place 3. Place of R4, and it simply reads n minus 1. 1 mark for A and 1 mark for R. So it's a 2-mark exam question. Look at 2, negative 4, 8, negative 16. Again, to determine the general term for 2 marks, we're going to work with the general formula Tn equal ARn minus 1. A equal 2. R equal negative 2. Minus 4 divided by 2 gives me negative 2. So A there is 2 and my R is negative 2 and minus 1. 1 mark for A, 1 mark for R, and that is how we would find the general term. Hope we're still together. Right? Now consider the sequence 3, 12, 48, 192. Now they want to know, is 12,288 a term in the sequence given above? If so, which term? Alright, so we know that Tn, my A value is 3, my R 12 divided by 3 is 4n minus 1. Right, so Tn equal 12,288 equal 3 times 4n minus 1. Always divide, so that's 3 times. So to get rid of multiplication, we're going to use division. So that becomes 12,288 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 gives me 1, which cancels. Right, so 12,288 divided by 3 would give me 4,096 equal 4n minus 1. Right, so to solve this exponentially, the bases must be the same. So if you test on your calculator, if you say 4 to the power 6, you will see we get 4096. Alright, so 4 to the power 6 equal 4n minus 1. Bases are the same, so we can drop them. So we have n minus 1 equals 6. If I take negative 1 across, it becomes 6 plus 1, which then gives me 7. So therefore, the answer is yes. And term 7 equal 12,288. And remember, n must be an element of natural numbers for all sequences, right? Right, so this is the little bit more complex way of testing. We're going to test your knowledge of exponents, all right, to solve. Let's look at the next problem. Right, determine the value of a specific term. Consider the geometric sequence 2, negative 4, 8, negative 16. The value of term 2 or term 12. So RA is 2. R was negative 4 times 2, which gave me negative 2. Alright, we want term 12. So in the place of n, we place 12 and there 12. 12 minus 1 would give me 11. So negative 2 to the power 11, which should give me negative 2048. So sorry there for the error. That there would be negative, and that times 2 would then give me negative 4096. So just include the negative there. I made an error. Or wait, let me see if I can fix it. Alright. So as you can see there, negative 2 to the power 11 is negative 2048, and that times 2 would then give me negative 4096. Right, if we go to the next problem, determine the common ratio in general term. Consider the geometric sequence 6, 3, 1, 5, 0, 75. Determine the common ratio of the sequence and then determine the general term of the sequence. So again, common ratio, term 2 divided by term 1. So 3 divided by 6 equal half. And take note, I don't need to test if it's geometric. It states that it's a geometric sequence, right? So r there, 3 divided by 6 simplifies to half. Get the general term of the sequence. I need to know Tn equal ARn minus 1. A being the first term there, 6, and R being 1 over 2. So in the place of A, 6, in the place of R, 1 over 2, n minus 1. There are situations where you can simplify this, but now we're just getting your general knowledge up to date. Alright, next slide. Calculate the value of the specific term. Consider the geometric sequence. What is the value of term 12? So again, Tn equals 6 half n minus 1, which you found in the previous slide. Term 12 would then equal 6 half, and in the place of n is 12 there, so 12 there, 12 minus 1. So that's half to the power 11, which gives me 1 over 496 times 6. And if I multiply 6 over that, simplifies to 3 over 2048. That's just some general things we need to know for geometric sequence. Right? I hope we together. God bless. Bye. Please like and subscribe.